Hello, myself Krishna Thonde. Yes, I am from Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Today, yes, I will show you some demonstration about crow pose from the basic to advanced. Okay. So I am having also blocks. I will show you with the block, without block, and that. So get ready. First, we have to shift our weight on our hand balls. Also like that, palm. 1, 2, and also fingers. We have to shift. So distance according to your shoulder level. Means like this. Maybe you can take like this. Also more. You can increase more. But you have to spread out your fingers. Elbow and knee should be in a line. Okay. So inner this one bending. Okay. Not outside. Only same. Then your knee, you have to keep knee here above the elbow, little up. Okay. And active your core. You have to active your core. So get ready. I will show you. First option, just stay here and little bend and stay here. First option. If you want to do more, you can just go forward. So then lift a single leg and hold here and shift forward. Okay. Just try to lift up your knee. This another leg. Okay. This is the second option. Third option, first one lift and also lift up another and hold. Look front. If you move, just you are an advanced person, keep your hands straight and hold with your core. Hold with your core. But if you are thinking, so it's also difficult for you, single arm balance also difficult for you, you don't have the proper arm strength, so second option you have. Take the blocks, pillow, what do you have? Same. Keep your finger, forehead here. Okay? Keep your crown area, not forehead, crown. Just hold, keep one leg and stand here, both legs stand. It is simple, very simple. Just if you are thinking, okay, just shift your weight backside and lift up your forehead. Lift. Okay, you can come down. Otherwise, same. You are here, so lift up, come back. Again, first forehead, this crown area, then lift up. Here, just you hold. You are just thinking, I can hold more. So raise a single leg. Same. Okay. This one option is here. Easy one option is here. So third option. If you are thinking, okay, make the balance, hand should be straight and make a balance. It's little straight. Lift up from your core and relax. This is another core activation. So more advanced, there is one also a variations option, another option. First, I will show you leg twisting. You sit like this, keep your both hands like this, open your arms, and just hold here, only here. Okay. If you are thinking, okay, comfortable, more, second option, same. Hold one leg forward. Again, both legs straight. Relax and down. So we have to Try it both sides, not single side. Same. Twist. I will show from this way. Same. Again, get ready. Hands are equal. Bend your arm. Bend. Bend. Just first hold. Hold here. Second, single leg straight. Third, both legs straight. And hold. And down. Now next, one leg crow is also there. So next option I will show you. If you're thinking you are just do something like gentle wrist stretch. If your wrists are tired, hands are tired, just you can do simple stretches. So now I will show you single leg crow pose. First hold, and now make a balance and lift a leg. Okay, sit. Same here. Lift your leg. Balance. Same with another hand. Again. Same. Hold. First hold. Lift your leg. Lift. Hold. This is the variation.